So to begin our macrame reindeer, we're going to take the cord and we're going to fold it in half. We're going to make a lark's head knot. So you place the loop over, bring it behind, then reach through with your thumb and your index finger. Grab those two, pinch here, and pull it through. So that's a lark's head knot. Now we have two strands and we're going to make knots on this side and this side. So using the single strand, we're going to make a single strand lark's head knot. So you go over and then bring it through the loop and pull. The next one, you're going to go under and then over and bring it through the loop. And that's one single strand lark's head knot. So I'll make it again. So you go over and through, under and through. And you're gonna make a total of 8 with this strand. And after you do that, you're gonna go to this side and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go over, bring it through, under, and bring it through. So again, you'll make 8 with this strand, 8 with this. So with your middle lark's head that we started with, you're going to end up with a total of 17 of these loops on your ring. All right, so now we're gonna make the antlers for the reindeer. I've already made one. So you're using a lark's head knot, just like we did it here. We're going to attach all 6 cords. So you're gonna go over, behind, use your thumb and your pointer finger, pinch it, pinch here, and pull. So that I end up having all 6 cords here. So now we're gonna make square knots. Usually with a square knot, you have 4 cords, but we have 6. So we're gonna have 2 outside working cords and 4 filler cords. You'll also notice I have a hot pad, a cork hot pad, or you can use heavy cardboard, and I'm just holding it in place with a pin. This will help you so that this isn't moving around too much. So to make a square knot, I'm going to take my left and I'm going to put it over top of those 4 filler cords so it looks like a number 4. So over, I'm going to take my right one and I'm going to go over top of my left one, in behind all, and then through this loop. So now I'm going to take my right, I'm going to make like a backwards 4, so it's over, over, behind, and through the loop. So just remember over, over, behind, and through. So that's 1 square knot. I'm going to make a total of 2. So over, over, behind, and through. Over, over, behind, and through. So now I have 2 square knots. And you'll know, by the way, when you go to glue the ends, the front of the reindeer has the loops at the base of the antlers. So now I'm going to take these 6 and I'm going to divide it into 2. So 3 and 3. And I'm going to continue with square knots, except I'm only going to have 1 as a filler cord. So over, over, behind, and through. Over, over, behind, and through. It's 1. Two. Now I'm going to do it with these 3. And you'll notice that your outside cords end up being shorter. And there we have our 2 antlers. To glue the antlers, it gets a little tricky, so just put a dab of glue on. Bring one over. Put a little dab of glue on that one. Bring it over. And then the last one. And then use your scissors just to trim off the ends as you would here also.